What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. You here with Team Profit Over Wages. We really getting paid, not going through the phases, man. And today, I'm talking about another thing with this $25 one up. A lot of people want to know what to do when they sign up, how to get paid, what are they actually doing. All of that stuff I will break down in this video for everybody who's been asking me, questions on what to do next and how do they promote and all of these things that they need to know. So the first thing you will need to do is create your account. If you haven't created your account, there will be a link below this video where you can go ahead, create your account, and you'll be able to come into your back office like this. So once you are in your back office, you can see your page views, the number of emails sent out by your autoresponder, in which I'm going to show you and tell you why mine say 0 right now, and the number of contacts and your daily referrals. So we move this over here for a second. And in your back office, you can see the team members at the bottom who have earned commission. Every time you earn a commission, you will be at the bottom of that. Also, you could literally see your name pop up. You might see my name a few times in this video, but let's get started. So the first thing that you would want to do is take a look over your back office. Just take a look over everything. See what everything is. Over here, you have your dashboard, your account, your business, where you can check your commissions, confirm payments, the level of products, which I'm getting to. Then you have your pages with your done for you websites that are already made for you, your contacts, the resources, your support guys. You also have, let's see what else over here. Got the traffic, the YouTube tool. You just have a lot of resources and tools over here on the side, but I'm gonna get into that shortly. So the first step that you would have to take in order to making money is do step one, is your hosting fee. Now, what is your hosting fee? It's a one-time fee of $10. That is to get your done for you websites and the resources and tools that comes with the system. The guys to make this whole thing active, you have to pay for your hosting fees. Now, step two is the level that you select to earn 100% commissions off of. Now, step two, like the gold level, is a product itself. It comes with different things inside of the level. Step three is the platinum level. It's a one-time fee of $100. I don't know if I told you the gold level is a one-time fee of $25. So you will want to come in and do step 1, 2, and 3, because if you come in and only start at the gold level, which a lot of people do, is not bad. You can start at the gold level and work your way up. It's a one-time fee of $25, but you're only eligible to receive 100% commissions of $25. So let's say you talk about this opportunity and somebody say, well, I want 100% commissions of $100, and they decide to go to step 3 and you're only at step 2. Guess what? That commission get passed up above you. And I know you do not want to miss out on $100 commission. So that's why I tell everybody that's joined me in business to go ahead and do step 1, 2, and 3, because a lot of people will go ahead and just do step 3 because it's a bigger commission. It's easier to earn $1,000. 10 people, guys, is $1,000, and it is so simple. Once you get into this opportunity and you explain and show and promote this business, it's easy to hit that $1,000 mark. So step 1, hosting fee. Step 2 is the gold level. Step 3 is the platinum level. Now step 4 is the diamond level, which is a one-time fee of $250. The enterprise is a one-time fee of $500. And the step 6 is the elite level, which is a one-time fee of $1,000. And then you will go down to step 7. So once you have created your page, once you have selected the level you would like to promote and receive your commissions off of, you would go down to step 7, which is set up your profile. And what you want to do is come down to edit your profile, guys, and basically put in how you want to get paid. You can put in all of this stuff, your Cash App, everything, your PayPal email that you use, your Stripe key, everything that you need or want to get paid on, you will have to put it in here. So make sure you do that. Make sure you put in the right information so you can get paid. Now, a lot of people they ready to make money. They're ready to go. 10 referrals just went up. They're ready to go. They are ready to make money. But what you have to do is actually come down to the training. This is what you get. You get training, guys. This is what you get. A lot of people skip this step and be like, I don't even know what I'm promoting. I don't even know what I'm doing. But it's literally telling you and it's showing you. You just go through here and you just get the training. It's training at every level. Let me move this over here. It's training if you're at the gold level, you get training. If you're at the platinum level, you get training. The diamond level, you get training. The enterprise level, all of it, you get training. So with that being said, you just select that package and then you go ahead, do the training, get used to your back office, see what everything at, and then start promoting. A lot of people think it's a quick get rich scheme, but it's a work from home opportunity. And you see my name right here? Yeah, see, you'll pop up every time you earn a commission, guys. It's one big team. I am not the only one getting paid. You will not be the only one getting paid. This opportunity is global. You can share this with people all across the world. It's people that see this opportunity and they just jump on it because it's an amazing opportunity. And if you haven't watched my last video, I made a video on 5 reasons on why you should want to join $25 1UP. And it's just a great opportunity. So you go ahead, get your package, guys, and then you come over. If you want to know how to get your websites, just come down to funnel pages and you click it and you just start with the beginning. So you can pick and choose which website you want to use. What I do, guys, is I either send people to the 2 capture pages. You have 2. You have this one, and then you have this one. I personally like this one. So what I do is I drive traffic to this opportunity. Sorry, my computer's moving a little slow. It's going to pop up in a second. Wait till it pop up. There we go. I drive traffic to this opportunity and I send them directly to this done for you website. So what the person would do here, why is this? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why this is acting so funny. I'm gonna move this back right here so you don't see me 3-4 times. But all right. So what this does right here is the person can put their name, their email address, and their phone number, which allows you to follow up with them. And after they do this, guys, they see the presentation video. All of this stuff is already made for you. All they have to do is land on this page, which is yours. And once they land on this page, the system does all the work for you. All you would really have to do sometimes is send out a text, send out an email, or give them a call. I'm like, hey, I see that you created your account. When did you want to get started? Did you have any questions? All you have to do is help them set it up, and everything else take place of its own. So you come over here, guys, to get this link. You click this button right here, and it will go to this right here, and then you just copy this link. You want to copy your links, and what you want to do is put it in like a notepad or put it up somewhere where somebody asks you information about the opportunity. All you have to do is just send them this link. Now, let's say you don't even know how to market online. You don't know what to say. You never worked from home before. Any of those things, guess what? At the lowest level, the gold product, you would get pre-written ads, guys. You get pre-written ads that you could copy and paste and put on your social media. You get the Facebook cheat sheet. You get the Facebook groups. You get the 50 ways and ideas to promote any business online. You get the mindset, guys. The mindset is the most important thing when it comes to running an online business. A lot of people want to jump in this business thing. It's a quick get rich scheme when you have to actually have the mindset for it. You actually have to know how to run a business. You got to know how to be patient, how to market. But like I said, even if you don't even know how to market, the system does everything for you. Now, you come down to your contacts, and when we're talking about the autoresponder and all of those things, guys, the reason why, let me go back up to the top. Let me go back to my dashboard and let me show you exactly what I mean. The reason why my emails say 0 right here is because at the platinum level, guys, you are able to add your own autoresponder. And I set up my own emails. I send out my YouTube videos. I send out different offers to my list. And in another one of my videos that I've created, you will understand that your email list is the most important thing when it comes to online marketing. And there I go at the bottom again. But it's the most important thing is your email list, because you can send out different opportunities to your email list on autopilot. But if you only at the gold level, you're not able to make your own, you're not able to put in your own email system, guys. It's one already made for you. So if you're at the gold level, it'll send out their own emails. It'll send out, the follow-up messages on its own. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to do it with step 3 either. But if you want to customize the messages and put what you want to put in them, then you will have to go to step 3. So that is why mine say 0, because I send out my own messages and my capture page goes to my automatic responder. And so you come to contacts, and what it'll do is show you all the people who actually went to your website, and you get their phone number and everything, guys. And what it does is allow you to contact them, and it allows the system to send out the emails for you. So let's say you want to check out the activity of the lead or anything in that nature. Score 27. That means, let's see, I'm gonna show you exactly what it means. Score. You can keep track of the person. So it opened up, these are the emails that it sent, and they open all of the emails, guys. They open all of the emails that you sent, and it lets you know how many times they open it and when they open it. That's the good part about this system. You don't really have to do anything but, like I said, drive traffic to your websites and let the system do all the work for you. That's basically it. And if you get lost in any of this stuff, you come down to the system training, and it has everything that you need to know. Read first, how to set up your payments, how to confirm the payments, how to grab your links, how to change your password, how to set up your third-party autoresponder, how to edit the sale page. All of this stuff is here for you. So that's all you have to do is look over your back office, get all of the information that you need, then promote, guys. Take the copy and paste ads, put it on your social media, boom, commission. That's simple. But remember, in order to go ahead and start generating that commission, you have to go ahead and do your hosting fee, do step 2 and 3, that bundle package where you can earn up to $125. And you'll see that commission coming in, guys. It's really, really simple. Once you get in tune with it, once you do those steps, commission, you can get paid the same day, the same exact day. Because I remember when I first joined this opportunity, I made $50 the same day that I joined. $50 the same day, not even 30 minutes. So it's all about how you promote the opportunity, how your mindset is. So That's this back office review, guys. If you have any questions, you can email me or comment below this video, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions that you may have. Enjoy this information, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell so y'all be the first to know when I upload a video. But other than that, guys, that's it for this review. I will see you guys on the inside.